Hi, my name is Sakshi, a content manager of NSDM India. Today's video is about how does Google Duplex work, and we are helping you with a free course of fundamentals of data science with Python. I'm putting up the link in the description section below. Do check it out right away as it's only valid for the limited period of time. Artificial intelligence powered virtual assistant developed by Google to discover our very own Google Assistant. From the day Google Assistant has come in our lives, it has made sure to provide services to help us. Google Assistant makes sure to add features to make our lives easier and better. And one of its exciting features is Google Duplex. Google Duplex is live in majority of US and shortly would be live in India too. With the help of Google Duplex, your phone would be able to book appointments for you in your voice. Surprised? Don't be. The artificial intelligence is born to serve you the best. Let's discuss how it works. For an instance, you want to book an appointment of the doctor. On your phone, you need to activate the Google Assistant and ask the assistant to book a doctor's appointment. It should trigger Duplex services to activate the Duplex. Then the Google Assistant would give you a list of the nearby clinics. However, not all the clinics would support AI-based calling, so a few attempts would be required to find such clinics. And once you will find the clinic supporting AI calling, then you just need to type in date and time, and then a call would be made by the Google Duplex. The call will not be made in the robotic voice, it will be made in your voice. It would answer the inquiries and questions raised by the receptionist. A confirmation message is also received when the appointment is booked. If there is any unavailability of slots, then it would also be informed to you. If the call was not made due to any issues, then it would also be informed. And if you want to cancel your appointment, then you can ask the assistant to do that for you. This was all about Google Duplex, and I hope you found this video really helpful. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel of NSDM, and we are helping you with a free course of fundamentals of data science with Python. I'm putting up the link in the description section below. Do check it out right away, and it's only valid for the limited period of time. Thank you so much. Have a good day.